a program where you get to spend time with the high schoolers and make a lot of fun projects.
Girls X Math is a larger organization, but I brought Girls X Math to Nueva, starting a chapter. We are in our 3rd year right now, and I started it when I was in 10th grade. As a girl taking math classes, but also STEM classes, sometimes there was an unequal gender distribution, and I wanted to have a place where we could encourage younger students to really love and enjoy math and just empower younger girls to explore and be more comfortable with areas within STEM.
We get to feel like so creative and make so many cool things.
The hope is that if we can encourage them at a younger age, they won't feel the need to steer away from these topics as they get older.
My favorite project was when we had different options to make our own landscape. Like we could purchase flowers and buildings and trees. Then we would put them onto a final sheet and it told you how much was the square foot per person.
I think it's just really rewarding as a mentorship program for both sides. I think for the younger girls, especially being able to see mentors who are excited about math and be inspired to have somebody to look up to.
And we're working with Lizzie, one of the high schoolers. Yeah. The high school students are really fun, and I think they just know a lot about math and taught us very well, so has Deborah.
They teach us different things than our teachers teach us, more complex things.
They have already experienced the Nueva curriculum.
It's super cool for the mentors to see these younger girls who are super excited and curious about math and watching them grow into their skills throughout the course of a year has been just amazing to see.
Yeah, perfect.
Now we're using geometry. We're making these Angry Birds things.
You guys know what Angry Birds is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're making our own Angry Birds. You get to add so many different shapes and it's really fun.
We mainly are working with 3rd graders. This has been our first year working with 2nd and 3rd grade, and we hope that we can continue growing to more grades in the future. I'm hoping to be able to pass this on in the next year to current members, coordinating with Deborah, who helps me run this in the lower school, and we have a lot of ranges within the grades of mentors right now. So I think it'll be good to just be able to continue it going.